Hey everyone, so today I'm back with another Valentine's Day look, except it's not a Valentine's Day look. So this is more of a anti-Valentine's Day look for everyone out there who is not celebrating Valentine's Day, regardless of whether or not you have a significant other. So yeah, that's that. So if you guys want to know how I got this look right here, this B-ass mug, keep on watching the video. Okay, so today we're gonna start off with the eyes first, and I already have my brows done. I'm gonna be using tape to create a really like sharp wing. And what I'm doing is I'm just taking the tape and I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, and then just like kind of make sure it's not as sticky. And the way I angle it, I just follow the line of my eye. Like if my lower lash line were to continue on, that's how I would angle it. That's how I angle the tape. To prime the lids, I'm gonna take my Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I'm gonna apply that using the Morphe M410 brush, dipping in and then putting this all over my eyelids. To blend that out, I'm taking my Sigma P88 brush. So after priming my lids, I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette. And because this is going to be an anti-Valentine's Day look, I'm not going to use any red. I didn't keep the plastic sheet from this, so I'm going to have to look up the shade names. So for my transition shade, I'm going to go in with Butter on a Morphe E27 and apply that all over my crease. I'm going to take the same Morphe E27 brush and dipping into Creamsicle and put that over where I put Butter. So after I lay down Creamsicle, I'm going to take my Sigma E25 brush and pick up Enchanted. I'm going to start in my outer corner and then slowly make my way into my crease. And then I'm going to continue to build up on this color, going back in to Enchanted and put down another layer of that shadow. I'm going to go back into Enchanted for the third time and then really laying that pigment down. And again, I'm just blending this eyeshadow using tiny circles while I move left to right. And then I'm going to take this Morphe Y15 and I'm going to be dipping that into Jada just once and then run that on top of Enchanted to blend it out. I'm going to take this Sigma E56 brush and use that to cut my crease using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in Neutral. So I'm gonna already carve out my brow using the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium, and I'm using an e.l.f. eyeliner brush. I didn't prime my face. It's fine. Everything's fine. And then I'm gonna blend that out with my Morphe sponge. For primer, I'm taking the Becca Cosmetics Backlight Priming Filter. For foundation, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 300. Just taking one pump and then dotting that all over my face. I'm using the flat side because I did my eyes first today. This will help me get as close as to my wing as possible. And because this foundation does oxidize, I'm also going to bring it down to my neck. For concealer, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape again in a light medium. then taking that flat side again. Yeah, I just don't know how people do this. This is so hard. To bake, I'm going to use my Derma Blend loose setting powder, and just set that. I've got so much on because I get so oily. So I'm going to go in the inner corner again with Beam and just kind of redefine that inner corner. Then I'm also going to take that same color and highlight the brow bone. I actually really like how this turned out. It turned out a lot better than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be a whole ass mess because I don't do well with blues. I'm going to take my e.l.f. foundation blurring brush and my Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder in 163. I'm going to use that to wipe off this bake. Then for my lower lash line, I'm going to take Soda Pop on a Mikasa E310 brush and then run that all over my lower lash line. And I'm taking the lashes by Dodo Lashes in D320 and popping those on. And then I'm going to take my mascara, the Better Than Sex mascara, and run that on my bottom lashes. And those are the eyes. I'm going to eat first. Then I'm going to finish the rest of the base off camera and I will be right back. After I'm done applying the rest of my face, I'm going to take the ColourPop's Ultra Satin Lip in Panda and use that as my lip shade. This is a little too purple, so I'm going to go over Panda with two lips that's also by ColourPop. And then finally, I'm going to finish off with some setting spray. And I'm just going to take the MAC Fix Plus. And that is the final look. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can get a closer look on my eyes. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys really like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you guys would want to see next. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.